The Summary tab is where you'll view your total takeoff quantities after completing your work in the Takeoff tab. Let's dive in and learn how to organize your quantity results, customize the display, and export your data for analysis and reporting. When you're ready to view your total takeoff quantities, access the Summary tab. This tab displays a list of all the conditions you created as well as the total quantities for your completed takeoff. There are multiple ways to view and organize your quantity results to help you with your analysis. Let's start by seeing how you can organize the data on this tab. Right-click anywhere on the grid, and 4 different grouping options appear for organizing your results. These grouping tools help you break out your results for additional insight into your projects and can help you organize quantities based on project requirements. The first option is Group by Area, which organizes your results by any bid areas you created within the project. This works well when you need breakouts by separate buildings or floors. You can also group by zone to see your results arranged by zones. Teams commonly use zones to show results broken out by different phases within a job. Next, you can group by type, which sorts your results and groups them together by the condition type category you assign to your conditions within the Condition Properties window. This keeps similar items grouped together for ordering or stocking purposes. Finally, you can group by page, which sorts your takeoff results by the different sheets you imported into the project. This helps when you're trying to find all the sheets where a specific condition appears. You can also organize your takeoff by more than one group method if you wish. If you used typical areas or typical groups when performing your takeoff, you can use the radio buttons at the top to display your results by your different typical areas or groups. You can find out more about these features within our typical takeoff tutorial videos. Beyond organizing, you can also change the number of decimal places that display for your quantity results. For example, if you want to change the number of decimal places displaying for your quantity 2 values, right-click in any field in the quantity 2 column. Then navigate down to the Show Decimal Places option and choose the number of decimal places you'd like to view. Finally, let's explore how to print and export your information. Once you've configured your grouping and organization to your satisfaction, you can print or export the information on the Summary tab. Navigate to the action icons at the top of the screen and select the Print icon to print to hard copy or to PDF. You can also select the Print Preview icon just to the right of the printer icon for additional export options. When the Print Preview window opens, select the Export Report button in the top left of the window to choose the export file format and destination. Depending on your selections, you may see a few other options as well. For some export formats, such as Word or Excel, you can then edit the information further. Notes you've added within your condition properties will appear in your summary list. If you don't want to include the notes in your printed report, simply check the Omit Notes on Report checkbox at the top of the window. To wrap up, the Summary tab gives you the flexibility to analyze your takeoff data exactly how you need it and export results in formats that work with your existing workflow. This saves time and ensures your quantity reports meet your project requirements.